A glue gun is an indispensable device for the people who are interested in arts and crafts. It can bond rubbers, metal, glass, wood, and plastics. It can also be used as an alternative for some electronic projects. They come in either low temperature or high temperature guns, known as hot glue guns. Both types of glue guns serve different purposes, and it's for the consumer to know which type will best suit their needs. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with that. Check out this video for more details about the best on the market. Starting with number 5, the Black & Decker BDC GG20C. This comes with a 20-volt max lithium technology that provides up to 3 hours of battery life. It allows you to lay long lines of glue with ease on materials like fabrics, upholstery drapes, and costumes, just to name a few. It uses a powerful 125-watt heater that allows you to lay long lines of glue with ease. Also, it offers a fast 90-second heat up, ready to work by the time you walk to your project. Besides, it provides a precision nozzle that allows you to quickly and securely place glue exactly where you need it, including multiple hard surfaces. Number 4, the Bhandar DT270F kit. This features a revolutionary auto shut-off feature that shuts off your glue gun after 30 minutes of non-use. It's got an ergonomic rubber trigger and offers a unique handle design. Also, it comes with side fins, which allow the gun to lay safely on the side, preventing glue backup. Besides, it has a high-low switch. The high temperature is for better bonding to metals, plastics, and ceramics. You can use low heat for bonding delicate material like lace, foil ribbon, floral foam, and lightweight fabric. On the other hand, it uses glue sticks of 7/16 of an inch diameter in either 4 inches or 10 inches in length. Another advantage is it provides a dual temperature of 250 degrees and 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3, the CC Better Glue Gun. This guy here heats up in 3 to 5 minutes, and its smart temperature control design enables it to remain constant. You can secure a power switch with the LED light mode, which makes the glue gun extremely user-friendly. Also, it's got a removable ABS anti-hot cover that can well protect your hands from the heat. Besides, the flexible support can keep it stable and upright, allowing you to use any angle. Its trigger has a great control of the glue flow, which will help you save lots of glue sticks. Moreover, it comes with a superior and insulated nozzle, and the glue gun will not be deformed, even after long-term use under 500 degrees of high temperature. Number 2 is the Blue Smart Glue Gun. This comes with ABS material and a copper metal gun nozzle that's covered by anti-scald cover, preventing it from heat. Also, it features German ceramic PTC thermal heating systems that ensure 1 to 3 minutes of quick preheating. Besides, it has 10 pieces of thin hot glue sticks, which can be used for a long time. Moreover, the non-toxic and smokeless glue sticks are suitable for any kind of DIY crafts or repair works. On the other hand, it's got a high temperature of 100 watts. On the other hand, it's got a high temperature of 100, which melts the glue sticks completely and heats up enough for stringy glue. Number 1 is the Copis CZ Glue Gun 001. It's at first place among the list of the best glue guns. It comes with a German ceramic PTC thermal heating system to ensure 1 to 3 minutes of fast preheating. Also, it's got a unique dual power design, which makes it universal for arts and crafts, and offers an ergonomic design that's got a suitable size to make it comfortable to handle. Besides, it's made with high-quality plastic that's engineered for high pressure and temperature without deforming. Moreover, it has inbuilt safety features and a fuse that prevent overheating to make it extremely safe to use. On the other hand, with 60 degrees, you can get a thinner and cooler slow-running hot glue stream for fine handwork. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you love this video. Press the bell icon to get instant notifications on future episodes.